Start by carefully unscrewing the 2 screws that secure the wiping nozzle plate. Flip the heat bed over and proceed to remove the 2 screws that hold the silicone wiping nozzle in place. To remove the cable cover, begin by loosening and removing the single screw. Next, proceed to disengage and remove 2 additional screws, followed by 2 more screws, which will allow you to completely detach the heat bed cable cover. By unscrewing the 2 screws that secure the heat bed signal cable, proceed to unscrew the 2 MW screws. Disconnect the power cable. Ensure that the red cable is connected to the terminal on the right side and securely fasten it with 2 screws. Next, connect the heat bed signal cable to the respective terminals. Position the upper cover into place and tightly secure it with 5 screws. Start by carefully placing the silicone wiper plate. Secure the plate firmly by using 2 screws. Next, gently flip the heat bed over, taking care not to cause any damage. Ensure that the plate is aligned correctly and fasten it securely using 2 screws.